How to remove header from second page in Word. Let's say you have a header on every page, but you only want the header to appear on the first page. Here's how you can do it. Open Microsoft Word document on your PC. First, if you're working with multiple pages, go to the View tab and select Multiple Pages. This allows you to see multiple pages side by side. Now, click on the header area at the top of the page. This will open the header and footer section. Here, you'll see three options: different first page, different odd and even pages, and show document text. Select different first page. This will create a separate header for the first page. Next, copy the header from the second page. Right-click on the header, select Copy, then go to the header on the first page and press Ctrl-V to paste it. You can also right-click and select Paste. Once the header is pasted on the first page, go back to the header on the second page and delete it by pressing the backspace key on your keyboard. As you can see, the header has now been removed from the second, third, fourth, and other pages, while the header remains only on the first page. And that's how you can remove a header from the second, third, or other pages in your Microsoft Word document. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.